Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your city, Mumbai? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in Mumbai. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Friends, Plutus Academy has been one of the best institutions in this online era and is providing great classes for UPSC IAS preparations not just in Mumbai but in entire country. The courses offered includes best UPSC preparation IAS courses by top IAS coaches. Then they also offer IAS prelims plus IAS mains, interview sessions, and all of the courses which is required for UPSC IAS examination is offered by the institution with the facility of live classes in Mumbai. Alright. The contact number being H44H440231 and the Plutus IAS Mumbai fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1 lakh plus GST. This is the full IAS course fees. Alright, the batch size includes 50 students in one batch and the student ratings includes 4.8 stars out of 5. Alright. The email ID of Plutus IAS includes info@plutusias.com and their website includes www.plutusias.com. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone IAS coaching in Mumbai. Now let us talk about firstly as to why you should join this IAS coaching. Number 1, top IAS preparation lectures through live interactive classes. Number 2, crucial topic-wise keywords for quick revision is provided by this IAS coaching center. Also, this institution offers a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A completely free of cost counseling session is conducted by this institution. You can discuss your doubts with the mentor regarding which institution you should select for your course and as per your needs, and the mentor will definitely guide you on that path. Alright, now let us talk about the contact details. The contact number being 8595907572. The fee structure for the full course fee includes a sum of rupees 1 lakh plus GST and this is for age to 9 months. The batch size includes 40 to 50 students in one batch and their website is www.thehinduzone.com. You can get yourself registered for the free counseling session from this website. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Dronacharya IAS Best IAS Coaching in Mumbai. Why to join this coaching in Mumbai? Dronacharya IAS Academy Mumbai imparts comprehensive training cum guidance program which covers all the stages of civil services examination, preliminary exam, the objective type screening test, main exam, the descriptive type written test, and interview as well. The academy provides an optimal course program for all types of students. Moreover, it has special programs for students who start at their very early stages. Alright, now let us talk about that what is the contact number and details of this institution. The contact numbers are 8888881114 and 081086999090. The IAS coaching address in Mumbai includes ground floor Kahan Bhavan LT Road behind Diamond Cinema Borivali West Mumbai Maharashtra 400092. Now let us talk about the IAS coaching fees, which is a sum of rupees 68,000 IAS pre plus mains plus interview course with optional IAS geography 1-year course. Alright. The email ID includes dronacharyaIASacademy@gmail.com and their website is www.dronaias.com. Down to our rank 4 institution for the best IAS list in Mumbai includes AA Shah's IAS Best IAS Coaching in Mumbai. Now let us talk about this institution. But for your information, AA Shah IAS Coaching Institute in Mumbai is very famous IAS coaching. Moreover, IAS classes happen for GS, pre-com mains, optional subjects mains, prelims papers, test series, prelim and GS mains in this institution for undergraduates. Alright, the contact details being, the address includes Afjao House 22 Rastam Sidhwa Marg next to Residency Hotel Fort, Mumbai Maharashtra 400001. The contact number being 919004078746. Alright. The IAS coaching fees includes a sum of rupees 95,000 for 1 year UPSC coaching, prelims comes mains. IAS optional course fees is different in this institution, the batch size being 30 students in one batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Royal IAS Academy in Mumbai. Alright. Mode of IAS classes both in English medium as well as Hindi medium is provided in this institution. As per latest update, Royal IAS Coaching in Mumbai has given good selection in UPSC examination 2019-20 as well. Reviews of this institution by the students is also very good. Alright, now let us talk about the contact details. The address being MMGS Marg, Dadar East, Dadar, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400014. The contact number being 09833374933. The IAS coaching fees includes a sum of rupees 90 to 95,000 in this institution and a batch size being 30 to 40 students in one batch. The website includes www.royalias.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, Mumbai. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.